Hello and welcome to one of the Teach Granny Tech tutorials. This is going to be more of an advanced tutorial, but it's mostly on how to use Microsoft Word. So I'm going to be teaching you the basics here. Now if you look at the top left hand corner, you would see the Office button. If you click it, then you have a number of different options. You would only have to look at these first 5. So you can select a new document and create something new. You can open, say, a document that you've already made. You can save it, or you can save as, which saves the entire document, or you can save it as Word document, Word template, Word document, or anything else. And print is a way that you can print like the document that you have. Now if you were to go to the home button and left click on that here, you have all these different options. Now this option right here on the top left that says Calibri body, if you click the downward arrow, you would see a number of different options for the type of text that you want to use. This just changes the font that you want to use in on your Word document. Now this button over here, the B, or if you want you can do Control B, it selects the option that you would write everything in bold. So if I was to increase the size of the letters, let's do 20. See if there's the bold letters, and then if you unselect that, then you have the normal letters. So it only selects everything to be in bold. Now the option next to it, this one over here, the italics, is a way so you can write everything is slanted over to the right side. Now the U option with an underline, make sure that all the words that you write are underlined if you want to do a heading or a subtitle or something like that. And the X2 here, the subscript, makes it write in subscript. So if you say untick that, do a letter, then click that, you can do a little subscript over here. Now the X2 option on the top here is a way that you can write in also subscript, but on the top. So say if you want to do the 6th, you can't really write like this, which is why you would click the option here and put a T and H, the 6th. Very simple. Now the option right here, the font size, just changes the size of your letters. So you can write in big for all the headings, or you can write in small for all the kind of writing that you want to do. Now the option here, the font color, say if you had a bunch of text and you want to change the color, you would hold left click, you would select and like move your mouse underneath, and you would click this button, the downward arrow, and then you would select the color that you want. In this case I just want to keep it, say if I want to do white or yellow or orange, red, dark red, blue, any form of color that you want to do. Right, the next option is all of these little like headings and title and subtitle. These are just the ways of making subtitles or just changing the font that you want to do. These are mostly for titles and the very top of your document. Now sometimes when you write, you would get these kinds of underlines. Now this means that you've spelled something wrong. Say if I wanted to spell the word red, but I spelled it ref. I'll say that's also a word, but you get the idea. If you spell a word wrong, it would underline it. You would right click on it, and on this part it would give you different options, and it would show you different words that you could use to replace that word, say the corrected version. Now there is one more type of underline I am not going to get into, but it's just a grammar mistake. So there are, and you like double space and then you write like that. That's a grammatical error. So you can auto correct that by also right clicking and selecting the right option. Right, now in order to start a new sentence, you would just have to type something in, click enter, and it would automatically start everything for you. Right, this has been Teach Granny Tech Tutorials for all the basics, and yeah, thank you.